In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add schema markup to Wix pages with ChatGPT. Start by making sure you are already logged in to both Wix and ChatGPT. In Wix, open your dashboard and select the website you want to edit. Once the site dashboard loads, go to the page where you want to add schema markup. Next, switch over to ChatGPT. Paste in a prompt asking it to generate JSON-LD local business schema for a business. Make sure your request includes the key details you need, such as the business name, address, business hours, and website URL. Also ask for valid JSON-LD that is ready to paste into Wix. Once ChatGPT generates the schema, review it, then copy the full JSON-LD code. Now return to Wix. Open Settings. Then go to Custom Code. Click Add Custom Code to create a new code snippet. Enter a clear name for the schema code so you can identify it later. In the code field, paste the JSON-LD schema you copied from ChatGPT. Set the placement location to head. Then choose whether you want this code to apply to all pages or only to specific pages. After that, save your custom code settings. Once the code is saved, go back to the site dashboard and open Website and SEO. Review the SEO settings for the page you are working on and confirm that the correct page is selected. If you need to adjust or save any SEO settings, do that here before moving on. When everything looks correct, publish the website so the schema markup goes live. After publishing, open the live version of the page and copy its URL. In a new browser tab, open a schema validation tool. Paste in the live page URL and run the test. When the results load, review the detected schema markup and confirm that the schema appears correctly on the page. If you notice any issues, go back to Wix, update the custom code as needed, and then republish the site. That is the full process for adding schema markup to a Wix page with ChatGPT. Once you have confirmed that the markup is live and valid, your setup is complete. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.